that ain't never a good sign when you got a piece of machinery over there and that much smoke coming out of it. Awesome. I'm here fucking around with this excavator and these rocks, and what kind of alien fossil shit is that? That don't look natural or normal. I ain't never seen no shit like that. What the hell? Damn. That's a fucked up sign, man. I hope they had insurance. Every time I get to reloading this grease gun, all I can think about is 203 grenade launcher reload on the bottom of the M4 or M16. Bloop. Don't forget to open that end. Don't ask me how I know that.